from across the country, and the good news is our recovery rate is now about 20%. And according to the Health Ministry, this is only and only because of the lockdown that was implemented across the country. It is day 10 of the phase 2 of the lockdown, and according to the Health Ministry, if this lockdown was not implemented, our cases would have past the 1 lakh mark. And at this time, there is no scope when it comes to the violations of the lockdown, because that might cost us a lot more. And this is what the Health Ministry as well as the official version of the government is stating at this point. Our reporters are in fact giving us reports from across the field and getting us these reports. Let's go across to my colleague Anuj, who's joining us live. So Anuj, we just saw this big news coming in from the Health Ministry that states that our recovery rate is over 20%. But the crucial point here is that India cannot afford to violate lockdown at this crucial stage.
Yeah. Well, exactly, that's the message from Health Ministry, but let me give you the sense from the Delhi-Noida border that what is happening there. I'll ask my video journalist, Surinder Shah, to give you the sense, and this is happening right under the nose of Delhi police, right under the nose of administration at the border. And look at the condition. These all are the people who want to cross the border, and as we do understand that the border is already sealed. The Noida-Delhi border is already sealed. This is the third day when Noida-Delhi border has been sealed, and you can clearly see the condition that what is happening over here. So that's something what we are understanding. On one side, Health Ministry is making it very much clear that what is the requirement of the hour, and there should be no violation of the lockdown, and specifically from the day one. This is being said by the Prime Minister himself, this is being said by the administration, by the states level, by the government level, by the central government, that mantra is one. Mantra is one, to remain indoor. Mantra is one, to not to violate the rule of the lockdown and maintain social distancing. That's something what we are learning, and that's something what we have been told again and again by the Prime Minister himself, by the state government, by the Health Ministry, and that is something which we called advisories which has been given, and the strict rule has been made in. But that is something what we are witnessing from the Delhi-Noida border. And look at the queue. Look at the queue of the cars. If we talk about the people on the streets, then you can clearly understand. If we talk about the long queue of the vehicles on my left, if I'll show you, these are the vehicles coming in from Delhi side, and they are moving towards Noida. So that is something what we are understanding at this point in time. And plus, this is not only about the vehicles. If you are sitting in your vehicle, that too can be understood. But this is something on the road, what I am showing you, what the visuals we are giving you from Delhi-Noida border. So that's something what we are understanding, how the social distancing is being maintained when we are again and again talking about the violation of lockdown, which should not be done. And now at this point in time, I'm on my left, we are showing you and giving you the sense that what exactly is the situation if we talk about the vehicles coming in from Noida side and going toward Delhi side. So that is something at 6 p.m. in the evening we are witnessing from the Delhi-Noida border. So I'll give you the sense where exactly I am and what exactly this area is. That in front of me, you can clearly see the barricading. If we talk about that barricading, that barricading is of Noida police, and on my left is the barricading of Delhi police. There we are continuously giving you the sense of the violation, how the social distancing being ruled out, how they are violating the lockdown rule. On the other hand, if I'll give you the sense, when we are talking about this, when we are talking about violation, when we are talking about security and alertness, then on my left, let me give you the sense from a distance only, because what we have been told, this exactly is the car. This exactly is the cab, white Swift Desire, and in this very car, a suspected was found, and he has been recently sent to the medical care team for the further process. So that is something what we are understanding from the border. We have been just told by the administration here, by the police forces here, that there was a suspect in this very car. He was stopped here, and he has been sent for the further process to the health department, to the healthcare team. So that is something what we are seeing. But people need to understand the same. When clear guideline has been given and clear instruction has been given, the strictness is there. But the people on the road are not able to understand, rather don't want to understand what exactly is the importance of the hour. And that is something we are understanding when the numbers are increasing day by day, when the clear guidelines has been given by the central government, by the state government, and we are continuously seeing the violation of lockdown. I'll ask my video journalist, Surinder Shah, to continuously give you a sense of these people who are standing there. they are making some kind of a list to give it to the people, the police personnel and the security standing here at the border, and they will be giving this list for the permission so that they can enter in Noida. But there the administration has made it clear that they are not allowed to move ahead. If they want to go through any procedure, then they must do it procedurally. Then the permission should be given by the district magistrate or the concerned officer. So that is something what we are seeing and understanding how the violation of the lockdown is taking place, when Health Ministry has a few time back only advised the people and making it very much clear that the importance of the hour is to maintain social distancing. The importance of the hour is to remain indoor. To fight against this coronavirus is to follow the rules. But the violation of the rules, violation of the lockdown is clearly seen on the roads of the national capital as well as Noida and the border of Noida, Delhi. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Anuj, for getting us that update from the Delhi-Noida border, where we are seeing a clear violation of the lockdown and no social distancing being maintained. In fact, let's go across to Lucknow now, where my colleague Samarth has also sent us his report from the ground, where we have seen that there has been a considerable amount of increase in the number of cases, but at the same time, the authorities are making sure that measures are taken in place. Let's take a look.
From Vidhan Sabha, and you can clearly see the lockdown violation out here. This is the Sabzi Mandi, and you can see the crowd. They have come up in large number and have thronged the area out here. And as you can see, if the police vehicle just passing by, you can see there's a complete negligence from police end, as they have seen that. See this is the lockdown situation. As you can see, this is the Udayaganj locality, and like vegetable vendors out there and public have like come up in large number. Vehicles are passing without any pass, cycle, and plenty of them haven't even covered their faces with masks. You can see the loudspeakers out behind me, like policemen. See this side. Another shop I'm showing you. This is another scene, the complete violation of lockdown. They have been advised to stay at some distance, but they are not doing so. You can see policemen are doing, yes, policemen, as you can hear that by a loudspeaker, policemen are announcing to stay away, but they are not listening to it. They are not paying any heed to the announcements made by the cops, and the scenes are really very upsetting and depressing amid the lockdown. With video journalist Satish Bharti, Samarth Srivastav, Republic Network.
So after Lucknow as well as the Delhi-Noida border, let's take a look at what is happening on ground when it comes to Jammu and Kashmir. My colleague Gursimran files us his report from the Jammu area. Let's take a look.
लॉकडाउन 2 में सख्ती और ज़्यादा कर दी गई है, क्योंकि पहले कुछ दिनों में लोग बड़ी संख्या में बाहर निकल रहे थे, और उसके बाद अगर आप देखेंगे तो लॉकडाउन पर पूरी तरह से कोई किसी को भी बिना पास के आगे जाने की इजाज़त नहीं है। मेडिकल इमरजेंसीज़ के लिए भी प्रशासन की तरफ से पास इशू किया गया, और जो भी व्यक्ति बिना पास के हैं उन्हें आप देखेंगे तो साइड पे खड़ा किया जा रहा है। प्रॉपर वेरिफिकेशन के बगैर किसी को भी जाने की परमिशन नहीं दी जा रही है। जम्मू म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन की जो गाड़ियाँ हैं या फिर जो जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस की गाड़ियाँ इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज में इन्वॉल्व हैं, उन्हें जाने की परमिशन है। उसके अलावा बाकी सभी गाड़ियों को प्रॉपर एक थॉरो चेकअप के बाद जाने की परमिशन दी जा रही है। ये जिस तरह कुछ जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार की गाड़ियां हैं उन्हें जाने की परमिशन है, लेकिन उसके अलावा अगर आप देखेंगे तो चौकसी जो है पूरी तरह से बढ़ा दी गई है, ताकि कोई भी व्यक्ति बिना किसी काम के यहाँ से ना जा पाए। क्योंकि लगातार हमने देखा है कि जिस तरह से लॉकडाउन वायलेशंस हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद सरकार के लिए चिंता का विषय बन गया था, और उसके बाद कड़े कदम प्रशासन की तरफ से उठाए गए थे। पहले जो पासेस जारी किए गए थे उन्हें रद्द कर दिया गया। ई पासेस सिर्फ मेडिकल और इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज के लिए ही रखे गए थे, और उसके अलावा जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठाया गया था कि नाकों को जो है और सख्त कर दिया गया था, ताकि कोई भी व्यक्ति जो है बिना किसी प्रॉपर चेकअप के, बिना अपने कार्ड के यहाँ से ना जा पाए। ये इंश्योर करने का प्रयास किया गया था। मीडिया के लिए अलग से कार्ड इशू कर दिए गए हैं, ताकि कोई भी व्यक्ति मीडिया के नाम पर भी किसी नाके से ना निकल पाए।
चंडीगढ़ Administration is getting strict every day just because this is one of the hotspots and we are standing on a Naka. You can see how the cops are guiding all the people, even they are involved in the essential services, that they should maintain the social distancing even in the cars, just because the administration has issued the travel advisory as well. If two persons are traveling in the car, one should be on the wheels and other person should sit behind on the back seat. You can see they are checking all the iCards and permissions of every person whosoever is traveling here in the city, just because it is the one of the hotspot of the nation. This is in the list of hotspots, and you can see the visuals that people who are traveling on the road driving their cars, they are only allowed either one person or one should be seated on the back seat of the car. You can see the visuals. They are asking everyone for the permissions, and in fact masks are compulsory in the city. This is the administration direction, strict directions to all the residents and even for the police to enforce this lockdown situation, just because it is the 10th day of the lockdown, and till today there are 27 cases have been reported so far. Out of that, 15 have recovered and discharged, and there is no death in the Chandigarh. You can see the visuals that how the cops are checking permission of every person, just because if they are involved into the essential services, they have to carry their traveling pass, the curfew pass here in the city. Only then they will be allowed to travel on the roads, to come out of their houses, so that any kind of violation should be avoided in the situation of lockdown. This is the current situation in the Chandigarh. You can see these people are still traveling, but they are involved in any kind of essential services, or they are involved into the services like cops, doctors, bank, or any other essential services, and then they are allowed to come out. You can see the car. The people are sitting on the back. You can see one person is sitting on the back seat and other is on the wheels. This is the kind of travel advisory that have recently issued by the Chandigarh administration, so that even the social distancing should be maintained while driving also. But for the two-wheelers, only one person is allowed to ride on the two-wheelers despite having the pass. You can see they are asking everyone about the pass, so that lockdown norms should be followed in the city. And even masks are also compulsory. If somebody is traveling without the mask in the city, he is asked to wear the mask, otherwise strict action will be taken against them. This is the kind of advisory. Even we just spotted a car where two persons are sitting with each other, and now the cops are guiding them to sit on the backside, and only then they're allowed to go further. You can see these are the kind of visuals. This is the kind of enforcement implemented by the Chandigarh police in the city, just because there are mild lockdown violations are still visible on the roads, and police is trying to enforce the lockdown situation in the city full-fledged, and otherwise the strict action will be taken against those who are still violating the lockdown norms. With video journalist Devinder, this is Amandeep Dikshit for Republic TV, Chandigarh.